जुल्फ़कार अली भुट्टो कौन है और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? जुल्फ़कार अली Bhutto was the founder of the Pakistan People's Party (PPP). He served as the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1973 to 1977. Bhutto was also the President of Pakistan from 1971 to 1973. He introduced Pakistan's first constitution in 1973. Bhutto played a key role in Pakistan's nuclear program development. He advocated for socialism and economic reforms in Pakistan. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was executed in 1979 after controversial trial. He's the father of Benazir Bhutto, Pakistan's first female prime minister. Bhutto's policies focus on land reforms and nationalization of industries. He's remembered as one of Pakistan's most influential political leaders. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was a prominent Pakistani politician and the founder of the Pakistan People's Party (PPP). Born in 1928 in Larkana, Sindh, he studied law at Oxford and the University of California. Bhutto played a key role in Pakistan's political landscape during the 1960s and 1970s. After the 1971 war and the creation of Bangladesh, he became the president of Pakistan and later served as the country's prime minister from 1973 to 1977. Bhutto introduced Pakistan's first constitution in 1973, which laid the foundation for parliamentary democracy. He focused on economic reforms, including land reforms and nationalization of key industries. Bhutto also emphasized the development of Pakistan's nuclear program. His tenure was marked by both popularity and controversy. In 1977, he was overthrown in a military coup led by General Ziaul Haq. Bhutto was tried and executed in 1979, a decision that remains debated. Despite this, he's remembered as a charismatic and influential leader in Pakistan's history. पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी (पीपीपी) के बानी थे। उन्होंने 1973 से 1977 तक पाकिस्तान के वजीर आज़म के तौर पर खिदमात अंजाम दी। भुट्टो 1971 से 1973 तक पाकिस्तान के सदर भी रहे। उन्होंने 1973 में पाकिस्तान का पहला आइन मुतारिफ करवाया। भुट्टो ने पाकिस्तान के एटमी प्रोग्राम की तरक्की में कलीदी किरदार अदा किया। उन्होंने पाकिस्तान में सोशलिज्म और माशी इस्लाहात की हिमायत की। जुल्फ़कार अली भुट्टो को 1979 में एक मुतनाज़ मुकदमे के बाद फांसी दी गई। वो बेनज़ीर भुट्टो के वालिद थे, जो पाकिस्तान की पहली खातून वज़ीर आज़म बने। भुट्टो की पॉलिसियों में ज़मीन की इस्लाहात और सनतों की नेशनलाइजेशन शामिल थीं। उन्हें पाकिस्तान के बाअसर तरीन सियासी रहनुमाओं में से एक के तौर पर याद किया जाता है। मज़ीद दिलचस्प और मालूमाती वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हर नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको फ़ौरन मिले। शुक्रिया।